what it should be called a computer. I'm giving inside that semicolon over. Now I'm clearing my screen. Clear screen. Next comes the printf statement. As it is a string, double quotes, as it is a string copy, I'm writing here string copy percentage yes, as it is a character data type. And now here the syntax line comes strcpy. Inside the bracket I have ch1 comma ch2 semicolon. That's all. I'm getting my functions, closing the curly brace, and now my output will be this computer is stored in this particular string, means that will be displayed directly, just computer. That's all. Next we are going to see the type called string compare. In the string compare function we are going to compare one string with another string. So in this also we need two basic strings. So that is called comparing. We are comparing one string with another string, and in this concept a basic thing is needed. A new method is needed called ASCII code. This we have already studied in earlier classes. ASCII code means every single alphabet, capital A, small a, we have a number code. We don't need to memorize that, but we know the basic numbers for A and B. A means 65, B means 66 likewise. So that ASCII code we will use here. And it has also a basic rule. It has in the string compare. What means, as we are comparing two strings, if string 1 is greater than the string 2 value, it means not the words, number of words. If the value of the string 1 is greater than string 2, means it returns positive value. If the value of the string 1 is lesser than the string 2, means it will return negative value. If both the string 1 and string 2's values are same, it will return 0. So if I explain it with a program, you can get a clear understanding about this difference of comparison. So this string compare, its syntax is character array variable name. The keyword is strcmp, string compare, string 1 comma string 2. As I already said, string 1's value is greater than string 2, it returns positive value. String 1's value is less than string 2, it returns negative value. If both string 1 and string 2 are equal, it returns 0. Now we will see an example program for this string compare, and we will also use the ASCII code value also. Basic 3 header files you must include. Next void main comes. Opening my curly braces. Character data type I am using. As I'm going to compare it, I need two characters, ch1 as well as ch2. So this ch1, we have to give particular name for ch1 and particular name for ch2. In ch1 I'm giving my name as Renuha means, comma, in ch2 I'm giving the remaining name of mine is Shri, semicolon. Next I'm clearing my screen. Now I am going to give one printf statement. In this printf statement, it is a string compare. You have to write that string compare. As we are comparing here, we have used character data type yes, but we are going to compare here, and the answer comes in a value type, that is positive, negative value type. So these values means numbers that represents integer. So here we use %d. So this you don't need to be confused. So that's why I explain it clearly before in hand. You may question why we don't use %yes as we use here character data type, because the value that we compare and write is integer types, not in a character string types as in previous programs we have seen computer likewise. So we are here using, as those numbers are called as integer numbers, we are using the int data types symbol %d. Now I am getting the keyword for string compare, strcmp ch1 comma ch2 semicolon. That's all. Get ch. I'm closing my parenthesis. Now my output will be this string compare word will be displayed in the output. For that purpose only we write fully that word before in a handle, string compare or string length or string copy likewise. Then we write the short keyword for that. So now string compare. As you see, the first letter of this Renuka, R. The small r in ASCII code means American Standard Code for Information Interchange we have learnt. So the small r value for this ASCII code is 114 and the small s value is 115. As like in alphabetical order, after r only s comes. So if this 114 means if this is 115. So here this is string 1. This string 1 is less than string 2. 115 is the biggest number than 114. So string 1 is less than string 2 means your answer will be negative value. So my output will be string compare means the difference also is 1 minus 1. That's all. This is string compare. It's a very interesting part to learn. And this ASCII code one must learn it wisely to calculate the value of the output. The last now we are going to see is called string lower and string upper. String lower means it lowers the particular character what you have given in capital words. If I am giving inside that printf statement the input is BCA in capital words means the output will be inverted, small bca. String upper means the upper words, the upper capital words that you have inputted, it will be converted as a small words. We can see these both string lower and string compare have only one program, common program. In that itself we can learn the difference between both the string lower and string upper. Syntax for string lower is strlwr, the keyword short form is string lower. Inside the bracket I have character array variable semicolon. And also the syntax for string upper is strupr, shortcut string upper character array variable. The same syntax, the upr and lwr alone changes. Now I am writing the header files for these string lower and string upper program, example program. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. The third header file is must hash include string.h. Void main. I am opening my curly braces. Now we are going to use the character data type and a variable I have declared. Inside that I may give any number in that array semicolon. Now I am going to prefer the printf statement. In that I am going to enter a string semicolon. This colon also should be amplified. After printf statement, the scanf statement appears. As it is a character variable, %s, comma, the variable name also yes, semicolon. Now my printf statement is for string lower means I am giving lower case because it should be displayed in the output. So I am giving the full name %s, comma, now comes a shortcut strlwr and the variable also yes, semicolon. Closed my curly braces. Now my output will be enter a string. First it will appear enter a string. I am entering BCA in capital words means the lower case of that BCA will be BCA. So the same for string upper. The only difference you change this lowercase word into uppercase and this string LWR to UPR, and here also it will be changed as uppercase, and your input should be not in this way. It will be in changed. Here it comes BCA and it will be changed in uppercase BCA. So this is the basic example for string lower and string upper. Once again, recalling the 6 types of the string functions. String length, we have learned how to calculate the length of the string, and we have calculated the length of the string as 4. Next, string concatenation means joining two strings in a particular string. First, BCA likewise. Third, string copy, copying one string to another string. Fourth, string compare. In this string compare last only we have used the ASCII code that we are comparing two strings. If one is greater than another, we are getting the positive negatives, and if both are equal, we will get the value called 0. Now, last two is string lower and string upper. And we have also seen the example program for those string lower and string upper. This string compare is the only type where we use this ASCII key code. And remember, this string 1, whenever it is greater, positive value. If the string 2 is greater, negative value. If both are equal, we will get the value called 0.